it's a quick video on how to see who and how many people have watched your video on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is, if you not have a professional account, you need to change it to the professional account, so you can see like this professional dashboard. When you can go, you can see all the insights for your profile. But when you do that, you're gonna go on your video, any video on your account, and go on View Insights, which will give you how many likes, how many comments, how many shares, and how many saved commands you have on this video. You also get an amount of accounts reached, you get content interactions, and you get profile activity. So you also get how many followers and non-followers, so you can know if non-followers are watching your videos and wondering what are they doing if they're not following you. You can see all those kind of information, like is it from home, from profile, from explore, or other, and so on and so on. To see who exactly watches your video is just not possible on Instagram, and any video saying that they can do that just ain't gonna do that in helping you do that. So yeah, subscribe for more useful tips.